You break like that when he says break. Wait here for me. Yeah, right. Stay there. What are you doing, girl?
Okay.
You ready for this? Okay, you ready or not? Here I come. Go for it, sir. Are you ready? Or lefty? Okay, right.
I'm
Put your right hand in, left hand in there. You keep it nice and straight, you go straight. Put your right hand.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk down.
Step here. Yeah, man.
Okay. You see what happens if I turn around like
Wait
that?
right there for me.
Did he get Ryan?
Yeah.
Put your finger in the middle here for me.
I'm gonna go.
How am I supposed to videotape my mom?
Go for it.
Go, Mom, hurry.
Bend the knees.
Whee! Alright.
Alright, put your finger in the middle. One finger. Alright, no, right here. Get a nice grip. Alright? This one goes here. I mean, keep it straight, you go straight. So if you're going left, flick it back to your right, you straighten yourself out.
Okay, okay.
You break like that.
What if I let go?
Nothing.
Oh, good.
Yes,
I'm gonna let go then, okay.
As long as you break, it's okay.
Alright.
Go for it. Walk down and go. Give me one.
It just
One. Oh, here. Pull up. Pull up. Here you go. Good work.